Welcome to Health Screen. If you want to turn off threads notifications on Instagram, first thing is go to Instagram application. And now if you're having a notification popping about threads which you don't even like, you could just simply go ahead and go to your home at the bottom right. And now, of course, go to the heart icon, the top right corner, where your notifications are being sent through. And now, guys, from here, if you have a threads that you don't like, what you could try to do is just simply hold the notification that you have. And now, as you can see, you will have two options over here. So don't just simply delete it, select the three dots over here. And from here, you should be able to see a pop-up like this, see less notifications like this. So from here, just simply tap on it. And after that, you should be able to turn off threads notifications in Instagram. And now you will have the undo button down below if you want to undo the action. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And guys, if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And I will do my best to answer them all. Thanks for watching.